Okay, welcome back. This is Motec. I'm Noel Moses Mwadende, FMD by Moses. In this video, we are going to learn about steganography. So, what is steganography? Steganography is the kind of communication taking place by the means of picture or photo. The main objective of steganography is to hide the existence of message content into photo. Steganography supports confidentiality and integrity because if communication is taking place by the means of picture or photo, third party will not recognize the existence or will not see the content of message into the picture because it is hidden. Also, steganography supports integrity because there will be no improper modification of message content. If message is transferred inside of the picture or inside of the photo, third party will not detect if there is a content within a photo. And if third party will not recognize, it means that it will be difficult for third party or for attacker to modify the message content present inside of the photo. Steganography is common in computer security where it is being studied as a subject or as a content within a course or as a subtopic within a course. So that was the end of steganography introduction. In the next video, we'll learn how to hide message content or file containing message or any file containing information within a photo. It means that we'll go and learn how to hide message within a photo. Thank you. Do not forget to comment, do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe because it takes us much resource in case of time, money and energy to bring this service for you, and will never stop to bring this service for you. Motec care you and nothing will go wrong. So do not forget to subscribe. We show support, we show love, we show appreciation for our work. Thank you. See you next video.